everyone. I am Vivekanandam, handling social science subject for the grade 6th. As the lesson is understanding diversity. In this lesson, for the last two lessons, we have seen what is the diversity. What is the difference between two persons, between two places, and between all the entire country having 29 states. What is the difference? A difference is there in religious aspect as well as cultural backgrounds. So here it is talking about unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. This is talking about the Indian university in unity in diversity, having all the religions are holding the robe of tricolor, that is India's color, India's flag. In this flag, what we observe is unity is there with the diversity. The religion aspect, traditional aspect, cultural aspect, we have been divided. But as per the Indian Constitution, we have been tied with one, that is called Indian Constitution, unity in diversity. So in this chapter, we learn today that our India is a vast country. India is a vast country, means very big country. India is a vast country, a very big country, having 29 states. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we have 29 states. As we learned about between the, as for the historical and geographical features, there's a difference between one state to another state. As a climatic conditions, as a seasonal wise, everything is changed. Now, in this, we have religions, caste, traditional, and cultural background. Cultural background, we have in this cultural background, what happens? We have different backgrounds. In this background, in these different backgrounds, altogether, all the religions like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, Judaism, all these things, it looks like a rainbow. How many colors we have in rainbow? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. In these 7, we are tied with the 7 colors. This is a rainbow. We have in the rainbow, when the rain comes, after rain, we can see the rainbow with the thick 7 colors are there. These 7 colors are not equal to 1. But how come we are having the 29 people are 1? We are still 1. How? Is a question. How we are 1? As per the regional caste, traditional and cultural background, we are different. Now you are saying we have the 7 are there. In the 7 rainbow colors, the none of 7 colors are different colors. But as per everything, India is one. How it is possible? It is possible because of one constitution we have. We have Indian Constitution. In this Indian Constitution, as per the Indian Constitution, we have tired. We are tired with the Indian Constitution. All are, how we are tired means all are given equal rights. Whether you are Muslim, whether you are Christian, whether Hindu, whether Sikh, whether Zoroastrian, whether we are in Jain, all castes together, you have been given equal rights. In this equal rights, we are one. According to the Indian Constitution, we are one. But as per the religious aspect, we are different. But how it is possible equal? Because the worldwide we have Indian Constitution. That Constitution has written Constitution. India is a big democratic country in the world, and that democracy we have the written Constitution, the Constitution which is written, and in this we follow democracy. In this democracy, as per the democracy, we are treated equally. That is what we are treating equal. We have all the rights equal to one. That is one. That is what we are one. Then, as per this unity in diversity, how it is diverted? According to the Indian Constitution, we are one. According to caste and religious, we are segregated. And I would like to take you to the history of India. History of India before 1947, exactly before the British leave the India, and because of their selfishness and because of their one rule has been followed, that is called divide and rule policy was implemented. Before that, how it has happened, we were under the colonial rule. In this colonial rule, the people of India has been treated very badly. How we treated badly is actually the trading purpose was there to they come to India trade. East India Company belongs to East India Company. The name of the trade. Trade means taking the goods in a cheap rate, selling them into their own country with the high cost is called a trade business. East India Company of England they came to India. By seeing the very suitable places, position, situation was there India to make the trade. Why India is famous in the trade? There are two things. One is spices, like pepper, cumin. All the situation is in India is suits to grow that spices, whereas in the England country, having the cold country, this weather condition will not suit to grow this. But Indian spices having the world demand. And what these people have done is they came and they taken very cheap rate and they sold in their country with the high prices. By getting the more benefit of them, the thinking about to rule India, they came and the divide and rule policy was implemented. First, divide and rule policy has been implemented by the British, in that our own people have been divided into two groups and our own brothers are made into slaves, and they have made our people only to fight each other for the benefit of the England, because if we are united, they are not going to succeed in this. That is what they segregated us, they divided us. And who has gained the profit is about England has did. And about that, what the profit they got is about the rule. They ruled India. Actually, the purpose is different. Purpose is for the trade purpose they came, but after seeing the situation in India, after dividing and rule policy was implemented, and after that they ruled it. They ruled not 1 year or 2 years. They ruled over a period of 200 years plus years. In that particular period, during this divide and rule policy, they made based on religious, based on religion aspect for their benefit. They created such a situation over there between the two Indian brothers are fought for the sake of the religion. Unfortunately, the situation was gone in such a way that it was compulsory to make separate the religion background aspect. In the religion aspect, the people who belongs to Muslim category or Islam category, they have to separate. This happened exactly in the 1945. Before the independence, Hindustan and Pakistan. And after this divided and rule policy was implemented, India is divided into two. One is Hindustan and Pakistan. Then after that, we are followed the democratic rule and we are equal one. And still people are having doubt, rainbow colors are same. How it is possible? Rainbow colors are same. How it is possible? After dividing the rule based on the religion caste. Dear students, I want you take back to the school days. Come to school. Don't go to the class this time. You stand in the assembly. Then assembly is going on. And in this assembly, you see pledge is there for every school. The pledge is there now, we'll make pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. In that, so I respect, I treat everyone equally. I'll like so on. We are making the pledge after this divide and rule policy was implemented. After India has become the two, then after the person who's living in India, we are treating them as our own brother. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. So, brothers and sisters is the relation among the Indians. How is possible? How it's possible? It's really possible. We are doing like that is what the whole world is worrying about. Looking at India, how it is possible? The people are living together in peaceful manner. They are, though the caste-wise, religion-wise, traditionally, culturally, we have divided, but still they are feeling the brother and sister feeling. They are behaving like that. How it is possible? It is possible because of the whole month of August. The full month of August is this. What is this? Celebrations. Celebrations of India. We are celebrating. Throughout the month, we are celebrating. The first of the we celebrated Bakrid. On the 1st of August, we celebrated Bakrid. This Bakrid stands for Muslim caste and religion, and it is says that for the sacrifice of this, the Bakrid is the symbol of the sacrifice. During that festival season, we are inviting to all our friends, and in that festival season we are exchanging our greetings, and we are believing that we are calling our own brothers to our house and treating equally. How it is possible? Really, India is a brotherlyhood. The another festival shows that is on the 3rd August. The sisters are praying for their brothers, for their prosperity, the health and spirit. This Raksha Bandhan festival was celebrated. Raksha Bandhan festival was celebrated on account of Raksha Bandhan. See, the sister is tying the Rakhi to the brother's wrist. This is a symbol of sisters are praying to the God to give good prosperity, health, spirit, and all sort of problems should not occur to them, and it shows the love and affection between brothers and sisters. This is a festival of brothers and sisters. So this feeling of brothers and sisters, as we are celebrating, now we are following the same feeling of our brothers and sisters of India, as we are doing the pledge in India. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. So this is the regional festival which we have celebrated. As I told you, the August month is full the month of festivals. On the 11th of August, we have Krishna Janmashtami, where the Lord has taken the birth. On the occasion of his, everywhere the Matka Pod festival they celebrate. Hindus, the Matka is symbolized out. Krishna has eaten that butter. That is a symbol. And the next important one about the celebrations, this is not a regional celebration, worldwide celebrations. All people together are celebrating together. That is called the national festival about the Indian festival. That is, we have been celebrating our Independence Day for the last 73 years, 72 years celebrated this. Another 9 days we are going to celebrate 73rd celebration. This year will be the different like than ever before. Why? Because of 1 or 2 persons jealousy. You want to destroy the other countries. For that particular person's reason, we are unable to celebrate our own national festival. This festival is symbolized about the brotherhood of India. Hindus, Muslim, Christianity, Sikh, Jainism, Buddhism, all together, we will celebrate our national festival, that is Independence of India. This symbol shows that we are free from England, and after that, we have been with the following the Indian Constitution. We have the all fundamental rights, that's equal rights to everyone. This shows the symbol of unity in diversity. Tricolor is a symbol of unity in diversity of India. Though the religious aspect we have been divided, but the nation-wise we have been divided, we are the one. All together, we will celebrate Indian Independence Day. Now, so in this brotherlyhood occasion, as we are following this brother, this is whether only this for within India? No, it is not only within India, but in America also we made the Indians to remember, the Americans has to remember how we are the brothers of India, the great personality of the follower of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa is none other than Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, when he was in America, in Chicago, when he was addressing to the Americans, he started, "My dear brothers and sisters of America." So the brotherhood difference is not there in India as well as in America also. Wherever we are today, our people are there in America. Still we love them. We treat them as our own brothers, sustain them. That's what we said, brothers and sisters of America. This shows the unity is there between the brothers and sisters. Then next one is being a brothers and sisters, whether we are following all the Indian country into proud. Yes, absolutely proud. Indian country is absolutely we are making proud. How we are making proud is everyone is watching the program. Time we are missing the Independence Day occasion, flag hosting ceremony. In the flag hosting ceremony, we are missing you, all of you, and most important one, we are missing our principal sirs. Anchor role over there for that particular program. For 5 to 6 hours, you will anchor over there. Beginning of the flag hosting, you will address to all the people, and you will tell the importance of the independence, how the people have got sacrificed. All these things will tell. We are really missing to this one because of the China. So today, in those days, we said China, made in China. Made in China is number one aspect regarding the technical, economical, developed, technological, everything is there. In those days, we said made in China. Why? Because compared with the Indian price, China market, China goods are very cheaper. In those days, we said China. Today we are saying China, आप मुझे नहीं China, आप मुझे नहीं China. So we are telling that China. Then after this important point, then I tell you the other one. Then about Indian country, about the brotherhood or sisters. As when we are celebrating every year Independence Day, in this Independence Day, we will think about the celebrate last year. Just remember, this year cannot, but last year when you were in the 5th standard, you just remember we were celebrating in the SBR ground. In that, remember one song. Why I am making to remember that song? The Indian history, Indian independence is depending on full of sacrifices. The song is there. आओ बच्चों तुम्हें सिखाओ धरती हिंदुस्तान की, इस धरती से तिलक करो है ये है बलिदान की, वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम. That this song can remember. And the song is asking the people to remember the land which is today we are celebrating Independence Day because of somebody's sacrifice. The young man was sacrificed his life for 24 years, Shahid Bhagat Singh. And so many freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives. And after that, we got that independence. That independence, by thinking their sacrifice, every time we have to really follow this relationship of brothers and sisters of India. Brothers and sisters of India is the importance. Once you started between the brothers and sisters, as I told you, Raksha Bandhan, once again I show you so that you can remember this relationship is there in India about sisters are praying in that particular, not only particular day, entire day, the entire year they'll pray for their brothers. But the show the symbol of love, they tie the Rakhi and they'll pray for their brothers. So this is what here also every day we have to pray for each other, we have to support each other, we have to follow each other. In this following in India, in one country, like I give an example, Swami Vivekananda, not only in India, but in America also he has made that brothers and sister relationship. This is we make it because we belongs to India. We taken the birth on the land of Mother India, our Bharat Mata. The Bharat Mata is by seeing the situation, she is crying every day. How the people are got problem today. We cannot come out. After coming out, you have to wear the mask and other thing. And after coming out also in the social distance, you have to maintain distance. Everything is lost. Because of one person's or some people's, their selfishness, today the situation is there. And as I'm talking about the brothers and sisters relation in India, I want to bring one more relationship to India, which is she is not part of India, which she is not belongs to our India. She is not has taken the birth in India. She is nowhere concerned in India, but she came from other country and her duty is to follow the God's commandment. I am saying that loving your fellow being, loving humankind is loving, serving humankind is serving to the Lord. Serving with the loving. Serving humankind is serving to the Lord. Strongly she believes. At a small age only, she has become the nun. She did not get the marriage. She dies. On the way from the Yugoslavia, she came to India. And when she came to India, she landed in the West Bengal, that is Calcutta. On the streets of the Calcutta, there she has seen so many people were lying on the roads. They don't have any homes. Children are lying there. Children are not going to school. The people are affected different kind of disease, especially leprosy. Leprosy is nothing but one sort of disease will be there. The disease will eat our hands and nose and other thing by slowly, but instead of stiff our hands, it will be bent like this. So every time there will be wound and the blood will come out, the different smell, bad smell will come. By seeing that situation, the people will go and will never touch it. But one and only, when she was young, we called her sister. When she became the old, we are called mother. That is none other than Mother Teresa. All the way from the Yugoslavia, she came to India. When she was young, she started the Missionaries of Charity. And this Missionaries of Charity is teaching about everyone how we have to serve the people, serve with the smile, serve with the love. If you really love to your brothers and sisters, definitely you'll support. Whatever the problems comes, we don't care because they are blood relation to us. But here, the great personality of the world, after her death in the Rome, they are given the title of Saint Mother Teresa. So Mother Teresa, when she landed into the West Bengal in India, by seeing on the roads, the people were not having any shelter to stay. She constructs a shelter to raise the shelter, to get the medicines. All these things she has request to all the throughout India. Everyone has sent their funds because of the good work she is doing. Mothers, only she is serving. She has dedicated her life to them because of she loves everyone. That everyone called her sister. By seeing the situation day by day, the sister has become very famous in Calcutta. Then after that, so many sisters of that particular young age, they dedicated their service, they dedicated themselves and then joined with them. By this situation, two young girls came to her saying that, sister, we all also want to join with you and we want to serve like you. And sister was smiling by seeing the two young girls. And the girls are asked, why are you smiling, sister? She said, and hand over the 2 buckets to them with the 1 cloth. And again she's asking, before handing over to that buckets to them, and asking whether are you really interested. They said, yes, sisters, we are really interested. We love serving human beings, serving to the Lord. Really, we will not see the Lord, but we will see the people serving to them. It is equal to serving the Lord. Then she has handed over and she has shown to 2 leprosy people over there whose life to walk, they are unable to move. And she has, after washing that wounds, and you have to apply this ointment. They went near and they vomited. It was because of smell and other things, they vomited, they went out. And sister was smiling. This happens because with the love and affections, with the feelings we should have, the brothers and sisters feeling. So India is having the brothers and sisters. That is what, though the traditionally the religious aspect, the background, everything has been divided and ruled as policy was implemented, but we are not diverted like before independence. India is divided into Hindustan and Pakistan. Though different cultural people are there in our society, we are exchanging our festivals, everything we are exchanging the lovely goods. This happens because we are treating everyone equally like us. Then, as per the lesson concerned, historical and geographical factor influence in one particular place. Today, we will learn about the difference between and between 2 places. We want to differentiate. We want to see that the different historical and geographical aspect. We want to go from top to bottom. Top is Jammu and Kashmir, and the bottom is about the Kerala. In this 2 bottom, lot of difference is there about the depth of the distance of the country, where the location of the country is located. Today, first one in the Jammu Kashmir, we will learn about Ladakh. Ladakh, it is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Now let us say the Ladakh is desert area in mountains, eastern mountains of Jammu and Kashmir. So you can see this where desert is there, and in that only you can see the snow, but desert you cannot see. If you go to the behind somewhere, you can see the desert area. In that desert area, what you can see is Ladakh is there. The place is called, it's like a desert. Desert means like we have Atacama and the Sahara Desert is there. What is the meaning of the desert is there will be no rain, there will be no trees, and there will be no water facilities. And somewhere after traveling to 100 to 200 kilometers, somewhere you get some water, it's called oasis. In the oasis, people will travel. How that people will travel? They'll travel on the, especially in the desert, they travel on the camels. Camel is called the sheep of desert because it can live in the desert without water for 18 days. That is what is called sheep of desert. It will walk easily. We cannot walk like camels, how it is walking. Let us learn about the top region of India, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh is situated in the eastern part of the Jammu and Kashmir. It's a mountain and it's a desert area. There, very little chances of agriculture is there. Very little chance of agriculture. Agriculture point of view, very little agriculture is there, and after that doesn't receive Ladakh. We are talking about Ladakh. And before that, I want you to remember the Shah Rukh Khan picture is there. That is Chennai Express. In the Chennai Express, there's a song, Kashmir to my Kanyakumari. Kashmir to my Kanyakumari. In that song, they show the geographic structure of India, the importance of India, the eating habits of India, the dance, the culture, the tradition, the clothes they wear, all these differences they shown in within one that song. That is what Kashmir to Kanyakumari. So here does not receive any rain. So here it's very difficult. By hearing we are getting plenty of water in the Gulbarga nowadays, where we are in desert area where little percent are there to grow the agriculture. And next one is about does not receive any rain. And people are depending for drinking water. For drinking water, people are depending on snow melting. To drink the water, like us, they don't have mineral water, they don't have somebody to supply them. They are depending on snow melting. Especially the snow will get melt in the summer. The snow will get melt in summer. During the summer, the rain, the water will flow. They are depending on this water. So life in desert, life in Ladakh, life in a mountain area is very difficult. So living is very difficult. Why? Because during the every time, most of the time, all the place is covered with the snow. All the place is been covered with the snow. And with this snow, how it is possible? That is what we have the last year. We have to remember in the month of April, in the month of February, where we celebrated our annual day. During that annual day, you have to remember one song is there. Our primary students are done from 5th and 6th standard together. That is Mile sur mera tumhara मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, ओ सुर बने हमारा. Like we are in the different people, different background, and together we have been making. And this is says the unity. And now snow melting area, people are depending. Then how the people are surviving there? This question, how the people are surviving? The people are surviving where they are keeping goats and sheep. They are keeping goats and sheeping with them in this area, that is Ladakh area, where people are having the keeping the goats. Is purpose is different. They take wool. Wool they take from this goats and sheep. Especially in this Ladakh region, there's a prized prized wool is there, that is called shawarma. Shawarma is called the wool. It has worldwide very famous, and they go for shawarma shawls. Shawls, they make it. This shawl with the wool, they make the shawls. The shawls are in the very demand. The very cost lot of cost a lot. This way, they are earning the money. In this way, they are earning the money. And purpose is that is, and after that, how they are, what is the way of eating style is meat. They eat. Apart from eating the meat, even they eat milk products. They eat milk products, butter, and cheese. They eat the milk product of butter and cheese. They serve. And this place, through it's very traveled area. This place is called traveled area. Through this Ladakh, people are reached to Tibet. Tibet, who is our neighboring country, is the Tibet. The region traveled is the travel very good travel place. And Caravana, caravanas traveled. Today, in those days we called them Karanavas. Today we are calling them Tibetans. And for this trade and travel is together is there. There, this area, like that, this area, because of these two reasons, this area has got developed, right? So in this area, Karanas today we have been calling as a Tibet. Now we are calling this Ladakh today. It is as a little Tibet. Because of this little Tibet, today you can see in the Ladakh we have Buddhism is there, Muslim is there. Set of people are gathering there and worshipping their different things. Here also the caste and religions are there. Tibetan religions has been expected because they were near to them. So this way, the people of Ladakh is celebrated. They are surviving, though the little agriculture movement is there. And why we are telling this one, the people of one particular place to another, it is very difficult to survive, even though they are surviving. Where the snow is covering everywhere, where the little trees are growing, where little chances of agriculture is there, all these things are possible to grow in this. So you can imagine how better we are from staying in the north side of India, north side of other countries, and we are the south region of India. We have in the other 5 states are in the south region. Now we'll go to the one more differentiate between the, as I told you, Kashmir to my Kanyakumari. Now we'll go to, instead of Kanyakumari, we will go to Kerala. We'll go to Kerala. This is the difference they are asking about the historical and geographical features in influence in one particular area. Because of the less rainfalls, because of the snow, the people, even though they are surviving. Let us see the Kerala. What is Kerala? How the Kerala is different than Ladakh? See, Kerala is situated in east corner of India. In the south region, in the last east corner, in this Kerala, Kerala is having this something different there, that is called the paper. Kerala people, the other day we have been to tour along with the high school students for 3-4 days we went. Everywhere we have seen the board. Kerala is God's own country. Really, by seeing the situation, we believe that, because one side surrounded by water, the other side hill area is there. Except the Kerala, this physical feature is not there. Other countries, other states, India, like the state of Kerala, right? In Kerala, but once you remember, by saying the Kerala, now you might have got coconuts. Kerala is having the coconuts. Coconuts is very important one, right? Coconut, even when as we are normally using the sweet oil, in the place of the sweet oil, instead of sweet oil, they are using the coconut oil to cook the food. And first one is about the Kerala. Here, Kerala is very famous for the spices. And is very famous for coffee, tea, spices, and fish, having the sea over there. These are 4 geographic factors to get earning of that particular Kerala, apart from these coconuts. So in these coconuts, all these things, who came first, how they came to Kerala, what is spices, in spices now, even I have told about the Ladakh also, what we call Canada, spices. Yes, absolutely right. We call spices as masala, right? So cumin, pepper, cardamom, all this will make the food tasty. We have worldwide the Indian spices having the demand. So here the spices available. It's a very good place to make a trade. In this making the trade, who came first? By seeing the, obviously, like I've seen, like just I told in the beginning about the East India Company, only based on the spices they came. Now here also the trade purpose they came. In the trade they made. Who came first? Jewish came first to England, to Kerala, and after that Arabs came. Jewish and Arab came and they started business of trade. Then obviously this particular place has got well developed. And having the one side hill area, in hill area, because in hill area the water, see hill area, the water should not stand there. For coffee and tea, doesn't require any much water. The water should not stand, come out. So, but this coffee and tea is very famous for this Kerala region. And in this, so Jewish and Arab came to make the trade. And after that, who came? It's believed about 2000 years back. Apostle of Christ, Apostle of Christ, Saint John, was the apostle of the Christ who came, who landed there in Kerala, and he spread the Christianity in India starting from the Kerala. From after that, the spreading the Kerala as a Christianity is the credit goes to Saint John. And after this, how the people are what their festival celebrating about, I told you the celebration of time. August month is full of celebration of time, and here also that comes on the 31st of August. 31st of August, these people are celebrating Onam. Onam is very famous in Kerala festival. Like we have Dasara and Diwali. And during that particular period, you can see Kerala is very famous. Although 4 months back, the Kerala was very famous in the social media. So many people have showed sympathy on the elephant. One person by keeping to send away the elephant, the elephants which are destroying the crops. They are trying to send out the, normally how they send the elephant by taking the one big tin, this one, and they'll bang, and they'll make bang a sound. The basket will take it, they'll make it bang, the sound will come. Otherwise, they crack they burn the crackers. They put in the crackers like a thread atom bomb. They keep it, and that bomb, hearing the sound, this elephant will run away. But unfortunately, they tried. One fellow, what is done it in the pineapple, he has kept that bomb and he has handed out to. By seeing the pineapple, the elephant got attracted and eaten. After eating, the bomb was blasted in the mouth of elephant. Even though the man is cruel, they have tried to take the life of the elephant. The elephant is not did anything to them. It went silently and went into the water and dipped herself to control the pains. After over a period of 1 or 2 hours, the elephant has died. And after dying the elephant, they are taken to the postmortem. They are surprised to see. After postmortem, they have found one infant elephant is there in a womb. So that time there was a social media was telling that about the difference between the animals and man. Man is so cruel, but animal is not cruel. So coming to this Kerala, the very famous all these things, and one more is there on the occasion of Onam, boat race will be there. They go for the boat race. So in this very long boat will be there. In that 20 to 30 people will sit and they'll make like a running race will do. They will do the boat race. So doing all these things, we have the so many things to be talk about. because of India, of the brothers and sister relationship we are maintaining. By seeing this situation in India today, the world-wise, there are 5 countries are very well-developed countries are there. In that well-developed country, one particular country, because of that, we are still staying in the home, stay at home, stay safe, is there because of one particular person. By that person is China. China, just now I told you. China, आप मुझे नहीं छीना. So China is well developed, well technologized because of the development aspect. The Japan, America, Russia, so on. So what this man is start, instead of making the competition, he want to go for to destroy the other one. He has thought himself, don't think that you want to destroy some others. If you are keeping something destroyed to some other, first you will lose damage. So they have raised a virus. What happened to this virus? Now in China first last, it is affected to first China. China, it is affected. Then after that, now it has affected to entire the world. And the other day, there was a message from one scientist. He's saying that because of the today's situation in the world, China is the reason. And because of that particular reason, we are facing the problems. And he is trying to, he is scientist to contact to do something for the world to find out the medicines for this coronavirus. But unfortunately, their phones are ringing, but there nobody is there to lift because they are. The other day, the next day, there in the social media, we have seen that one 4 years boy is weeping like anything in the home, and he came out on the roads. Along with him, his brother also came. He is a 10 years old boy. His brother is trying to control himself and trying to his brother. But he's crying, "Mother, where are you? I am weeping. I am living without you, mother. Where are you? You please come. I cannot live without you. You tell me, where are you? I want to come." But unfortunately, the mother has died. The credit goes to China. So this is what happens. You are trying to do some harm to others, that will affect you first. So that is what we Indians believe, that as per the Indian Constitution, we are tired of, we are the one still that we are going. The last 3 years, we are doing the same thing. Somebody is coming and somebody is going, but they are trying to destroy our unity, but we are standing very fast. Unity is strength. The other day you have seen, there's a story about the unity. One old man is there. He is having 4 sons. Every time they are quarreling. The old man is about fed up with the fighting every day. One day he called them, and he handed over the sticks to each one and asked them to break it. Everyone break easily, and 1 they have given broken, 2 they have given 3. Again, he made some bundles of this much of sticks and have bundled it and given to them. They are unable to break it. Unity is a strength. Says that hereafter you should not fight. If you are fighting, none of the only you alone lost. Like the China. See the position, economical aspect, they are gone 10 years back. The whole world is not. If they want to live anywhere, they cannot go. All the closed and everything is closed. Thank you. Any problem?